Vitor na kaya niya yung suntok.
Oh, wow! Oh! It's not needed. Rounds to warm up. Oh, wow!
Twice in a row, and Gabby's gonna get up, and that's it!
Kumusta at welcome back sa ating channel. Isa sa Pinoy boxer sa super featherweight division ang hinahangaan ngayon dahil sa angking galing at lakas ng kamao nito. Ang buhulano fighter na si Janberhel Vitor alias Valiente na kung saan sunod-sunod ang naipanalo at ninockout nito. Samantala matapos ang dalawang magkasunod na impresibong knockout wins kontra sa kapwa Pinoy na tinapos nito by a first round knockout ay sunod naman nitong hinarap ang dayong Thai fighter na si Arnon Yupang na kung saan paglalabanan ng dalawa ang bakanting WBO Oriental Super Featherweight belt. Si Arnon Yupang ay may record na 9 wins, 2 losses at 3 knockouts habang si Berhel Vitor ay may record na 18 wins, 2 losses at 11 knockouts na ginanap sa Dimiao, Bohol. Sa round 1 ay tamang sukatan ang dalawa.
Parehong nag-feel out process part.
130, super feather.
Partner ito. Based on the fights, of course, Berhel Vitor is
Nice.
triple jab by triple V. Ooh, that was an exchange on the inside. Pinoy boxing prodigy. Oh, good.
Oh, nice left.
Sa mga taga-Harada Boxing Gym. Mga din ni Berhel
Sa round 3 ay uminit na ang ating kababayan. Binakbakanan nito ang Thai boxer.
Our referee, third man in the ring. Combination by Berhel.
Oh, nice.
Oh, what an exchange, partner. Oh, Berhel Vitor. Yupang seems to be in danger but is still standing. Oh my. Oh, wow.
Dito tinamaan ng Pinoy ng left hook ang Thai boxer.
Yes.
Dapat.
Oh! Wow.
At sa tindi ng tama nito ay di na nagawang makatayo pa ng Thai boxer. Panalo si Berhel Vitor via third round knockout. Matagumpay na nakuha ng ating kababayan ang WBO Oriental belt. Samantala matapos ang 3 buwan, December 8, 2022 ay muling napalaban si Berhel Vitor na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang South Korean fighter na si Dong Kwan Lee na may record na 16 wins, 2 losses at 7 knockouts. Didipinsan ni Berhel Vitor ang hawak nitong WBO Oriental belt. Samantala si Dong Kwan Lee ay may 4 na Pinoy nang tinalo. Sina Gilbert Donasalis tinalo by a third round technical knockout. Anthony Sabalde tinalo by a 5th round referee technical decision. Michael Landero tinalo by a third round technical knockout. At Raymart Centellas tinalo by a 2nd round technical knockout. Samantala kumpiyansa ang Korean boxer na kaya niya muling magpataob ng Pinoy dahil di na bago sa kanya ang makipagbakbakan sa Pinoy. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa Kalapi Sports Center, Kalapi, Bohol na kung saan humandusay ng 2 beses ang dayong Korean boxer. Sa round 1 ay pajab-jab lang ang Pinoy at naghihintay lang ng tamang timing.
And,
right. And solid defense also for Dong Kwan Lee. Meanwhile, Berhel Vitor, of course, it will really take
Sa round 2 ay nagawang makounter ng Pinoy ang Koreano.
By Dong Kwan Lee, answered by
in case pumasok si Vitor.
Dito gusto makabawi ng Koreano. Ngunit na-counter ito ng left hook ng Pinoy na muntikan nang bumagsak kundi lang nakakapit ito sa lobid.
Ni Vitor na kaya niya yung suntok ni Diokwali.
Alright, oh wow! Oh wow! That right hook!
Counter left, partner. Counter left.
Sa pagpatuloy ng laban ay nakipagsabayan na ang Koreano sa Pinoy.
Forward is Berhel Vitor. Oh wow! Another! Okay, that was... But Berhel Vitor remains disciplined, partner. Look at that, no? He's not trying to opportunity.
He must not made a mistake. Baka
Yes.
9 seconds bago matapos ang round 2 ay palitan ng suntok ang dalawa. At dito tumama ang left hook ni Berhel Vitor na tumapos sa Korean boxer.
You are right. Berhel Vitor does not need the early rounds to warm up. Oh, wow. Beautiful left hand from Berhel Vitor, sending Dong Kwan Lee to the canvas the second time. And he seems to be stacked.
Panalo si Vitor via second round knockout. Matagumpay na nadepensa ni Berhel Vitor ang hawak nitong WBO Oriental Belt. Samantala May 25, 2023, ang unang sabak ni Berhel Vitor sa labas ng bansa na kung saan hinarap niya rito ang Thai fighter na si Campi Payom na may record na 23 wins, 6 losses at 15 knockouts. Habang si Berhel Vitor ay may record na 20 wins, 2 losses at 13 knockouts. Nakatay sa laban ang WBC Asian Silver Super Featherweight title. Ginanap ang kanilang laban sa bansang Thailand na kung saan pinatulog ng mahimbing ng Pinoy ang hometown boxer. Sa round 1 ay naging maingat ang ating kababayan dahil may lakas din ang Thai boxer na pwedeng ika-knockout ng Pinoy.
23 victories, 6 defeats and 2 draws. 20 victories and only 2 defeats. Virgil is also the WBO Oriental champion as well. Good right hand there from... feel like this is going to be another chess match now. Yeah, Abdul winning the vacant WBA title. So Virgil, Vitor and Campi Payom duking it out now for the vacant WBC Asia Silver Super Featherweight title.
Dito palitan ng dalawa ng malalakas na kombinasyon.
One exchanging good punches. Good left hook there from Virgil. And Campi rallying as well with his own right hand to the body, jab to the head of 2. Good jab and then right hook to the body from Campi. Jab from Virgil.
Dito nagawang makounter ng left hook ng Thai boxer ang Pinoy dahilan sa paggiwang nito.
Making a stalemate with landing their own straight rights. Big clubbing left hook there from Campi, and that's got Virgil in a world of trouble. It looks like that shook the Filipino fighter, but I think he's just about recovered. Lands his own right hand and puts Campi off balance too momentarily. Right hand from Virgil again. Clubbing left hook there from Campi is yeah, both these two are very evenly matched. This is going to be a great fight, folks. Don't blink. Campi right hand lands for the Thai fighter. Virgil with the jab, 10 seconds to go in round number 1. This has been an excellent opening round. Virgil already showing signs of bruising on his left eye, and that's the end of round 1.
Sa round 2 ay palitan pa din ang dalawa ng mga pamatay na suntok.
Okay, here we go, round 2. So round 1 was a really hotly contested matchup between the two fighters. Let's see if they can carry that into round number 2. Both these two just bobbing and weaving. Right hand there from Vitor. Uppercut to the head into the body and back to the head again from Campi. Right hand there from Campi. Looks like he tried to catch Virgil with the left hook as well as he rallied forward, but just pulled it back. Chess match again between these two fighters in the squared circle. Jab there from Campi and a right hand too. Single shots being landed very effectively by the Thai fighter. Virgil just ducking down and getting the referee to break up the action and get a breather there, trying to re-strategize here, Virgil, early on in round number 2. Whoa, good left hook there from Virgil, who caught Campi flush on the chin. Good shots to the body and tripling up with the left hook and rallying with the uppercut as well.
Dito habang palitan ng suntok ay na-counter ng Pinoy ng left hook. Tulog ang Thai boxer.
Can he maintain this pace? Right uppercut and left hook twice in a row. And Campi is down on the canvas. What a knockdown. And it doesn't look like Campi's going to get up. And that's it.
Panalo si Berhel Vitor via second round knockout. Matagumpay na nakuha ng Pinoy ang WBC Asian Silver Belt. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating kababayan? Ibigay ang iyong opinion sa baba at huwag kalimutan i-like at mag-subscribe kung bago ka pa lang sa ating channel. Maraming salamat po.